Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 19th, 2024. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9125. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. It's the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, double those numbers. But this is indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, we'll see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1, or boxes. Well, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and 2. Let me check. Triple box. No dual box here. I see only one triple box. The 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be the 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here one quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Well, this box can be 1, this box can be 2, so 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. Alright. Do we have more quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. Oh, no. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. And then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. But let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Only one Z construction. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box is the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And one shape is left. I believe the L shape. Here, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be here. These two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And then this box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well. Let me think. I think this box should be a 3. Because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 1. Because can be... yeah, should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. So 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Is also connected with that box, should be so a 1. And then 2 and a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for 4 in this area is supposed to be there. Then these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 3 and the 4. Come on. 1, 2. 1, 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. No 2 here, no 2 there, 2, 2, okay. These 2 boxes can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 1, 1. Can be 1, 1, 1. Oh, well. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means in this W area shape, this box can be 1, we have a double 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 over here. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2 or 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Okay. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me think. Give me 2, give me 3. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 1 and a 3. 1 and 3. Then let me see these 2. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. One was 3 and a 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box, so we 3 and a 4. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. And this one is connected with that box, should be so 3. Now, I've numbered those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. Well, we have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, so 2 numbers left. In this area, 4 numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be there. We eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. And this one is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 2 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. This box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Then, let me see. Let me see. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box will be 3, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And I think this box should be a 1, because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, can it be a 4, can be a 3, can be 2, can be 1, should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yeah. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.